Is there anything better than pasta with fresh fish during the hot season? I don't think so. Today I'm going to prepare a Sea Bass Ragù. It is easy, it is tasty, it is super fast and super refined. I am Francesca and this is Scolalapasta. We cook for 2 people. First, we take a beautiful sea bass. We have to fillet them. It is not difficult to do it with the right tools. However, I love comfort, so I always ask for the courtesy to have the fish already filleted. Most of the fishmongers will be happy to help. We will prepare a video on this too. It is always best to check that there are no herring bones left in the fish, and so I pass my finger trying to remove those that are left, if any. That is perfect. Done. I'm going to wash down the fish a little bit and then we will be all set. I cut the sea bass into small pieces and I also remove the skin. Meanwhile, I heat some extra virgin olive oil with chopped leek and let it go until the leek browns. I add the pieces of sea bass and cook just for 1 minute. I add just a little wine and let it evaporate for about 30 seconds. The fish must always be cooked very little. And just to make sure we are doing right, we wait for the color of the bass to change from pink to white. As soon as it is cooked, I add the chopped pistachios. These are from Bronte in Sicily, the pistachio paradise. And believe me, they really make the difference. I mix a little, that way, and then I pour the crème fraiche. I wait until it warms up and then I turn it off. Separately, I boil the water for pasta. The Sea Bass Ragù goes very well with both spaghetti and calamarata, but today we will use Mezzi Paccheri. When the pasta is cooked, drain it and pour it in this pan. Please always remember to keep aside some cooking water, which is rich in starch and which helps us to regulate the right density of the sauce. Here we are. We just add a little bit more pistachio grains, some pepper, and now it's time to serve. One more thing, please never put Parmesan cheese on the Sea Bass Ragù. That's it, you are going to love it. And thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Ciao da Francesca e Scola la pasta, the Italian way of making food.